Every department in a company needs documentation. From production and logistics to human resources management and sustainability, processes depend on information. The accuracy and accessibility of this information is therefore critical. Nowadays, ERP systems, such as SAP, offer powerful solutions to centralize documentation across departments in real time. But what about external documents that have to be integrated into the ERP system? Purchase orders, delivery notes, and contracts, to name a few, arrive in a variety of forms, including, of course, physical documents that must first be digitalized. Once scanned, a manual process has to be carried out to save the incoming documents on the company server and attach them to certain business objects in the SAP system. This time-consuming procedure is limited to human error and can lead to manual reprocesses, cause delays in critical operations, and hurt the efficiency of the information system. How can we simplify the routing and integration of external documents into the SAP system in order to ensure the traceability and completeness of information? To solve this problem, BECONEX presents the user-friendly SAP connector, which integrates your multifunction device in the SAP system for effortless utilization and storage of documents. Manage a wide variety of business objects right from your multifunction device, including purchase orders, materials, customers, and so on. Create capture queue entries to simplify the assignment of documents, or start any SAP workflow to process the document directly from your multifunction device. Take advantage of the drop-down menu and barcode scanning features to minimize typing errors and increase efficiency. Use the real-time connection with SAP to simplify the search for business objects, such as materials or customers. Assign business-relevant documents to the associated business objects in a quick and easy way. Equip your company with a flexible and intuitive solution to increase performance of your teams in different departments and to get the most out of your SAP system.